Have you ever dreamed of skipping traffic and flying above the city? That dream is now becoming real. Introducing the XPeng X2. A flying car from China that is changing everything. This is not science fiction anymore. This is real and it is flying right now. The XPeng X2 is a fully electric autonomous flying car. You do not need a pilot. Just press a button and it takes off, flies and lands by itself. It can fly at 130 kilometers per hour. And it can stay in the air for up to 25 minutes. It uses 8 powerful propellers. This car has already been tested in Dubai, Europe and China. And the whole world is watching. It includes a parachute for emergencies. It can take off and land vertically. It has cameras that see in every direction. And it can land safely by itself. It is fully electric and makes no pollution. XPeng says this is just the beginning. But here is a big question. Will we all be flying cars in the next 10 years? Maybe yes. Maybe no. Because there are still problems. Air traffic laws. Safety rules. High cost. And no air roads yet. But one thing is clear. The future is not on the road. It is in the air. If you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more future tech stories.